Sometimes we take a really good photo, lighting is perfect, subject is perfect, but the framing is totally wrong. If you crop it, important parts are gone. If you try to extend it manually, it takes a lot of time and skill. So today I'm going to show you one AI tool that actually solves this problem properly. Not by stretching the image, but by creating new details. The 4D file repair. And I'll show you how its AI expand image feature works step by step. First of all, download 4D file repair from the link in the description. I have already installed it, so let me show you the interface. As you can see, it's a very clean and easy to understand. Even if you are a beginner, you won't feel confused here. There are many options available: file repair, AI enhancer, and others, but for this video, I will only focus on AI expand image. So just click on AI enhancer, and inside that you will find AI expand image. This is the feature that helps you extend photos naturally and realistically. Normally when we extend an image, the software just stretches the pixels and that looks fake. But here the AI understands what's inside the photo, background, lighting, perspective, and then creates new areas that match the original image. So the result looks natural, not edited. Now let's do the first demo. To import an image, just click on Add an image to extend and select your photo. Very simple. After importing, on the right side, you will see a user guide, which is helpful if you are new. Below that, you will see the AI expand prompt box. This is important. Here you can tell the AI what you want to do. For this portrait, I will keep it very simple. I'll write expand this portrait naturally. Now click on AI expand image. It will take a few seconds depending on your system. Okay, now it's done. See the before and after. You can see it expanded the image from the sides and top. There are no hard edges, no visible transitions. Everything blends smoothly. Honestly, this would take much longer if I did it manually. To save the image, just click on export and that's it. Now let's try something more creative. I will import a city photo. This time I want to change the mode. So in the prompt box, I'll write something like expand the city photo into a cyberpunk style. Now click AI expand image and here is the result. Look at the lighting, the neon colors, the reflections, and how it added extra elements to match the cyberpunk vibe. One thing I really like here, it doesn't change the main structure and texts. It keeps everything realistic but adds creativity. Now let's do the last example. I want to turn a portrait into a vintage magazine cover. So just import your photo first and then in the prompt box, I'll write turn this photo into a vintage magazine cover. Click on AI expand image and that's it. This looks really good. The vintage color grading, the old magazine style, even the text elements match the photo perfectly. Look at this. This is great for posters, thumbnails, or creative design. That's it. So why should you choose 4D file repair? First, it runs locally, so your photos stay private. Second, you can process multiple images at once, which saves a lot of time. And it's not just for extending images. You can enhance quality, colorize photos, convert formats, and more. So if you want to adapt images for social media, recompose old photos, or explore new creative ideas, this tool can really help. Check the link in the description to try 4D with a special discount. And that's it.